Meaning of hotline.
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 Hotline. The term hotline refers to a direct telephone line that is established for a specific purpose, such as emergency assistance or customer service. A hotline typically has designated personnel who are trained to respond to calls in a timely and efficient manner. Hotlines can serve various purposes, including crisis intervention, technical support, and sales inquiries. The purpose of a hotline is to provide rapid and personalized support to callers, often involving sensitive or urgent issues that require immediate attention. Hotlines have become important communication channels in many industries, helping to improve customer satisfaction and resolve problems quickly.